you see here is one of my mom's products. These are really, really important for our body and stuff like that. So.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more.
Okay, y'all, I am finally done taking the product pictures for my new body butters. You guys asked me to make more body butters for the website, and I did. And they are part of my new Divine Feminine Energy collection. If you guys would like to check out my new collection, please visit rosebeautycosmetics.com. You guys are going to love these body butters. I made them under the energy of the full moon last night. Going into tonight, I'm going to be cleansing my space some more because as you can see, I've made a mess. I got a mess up here that needs to be cleaned up. But my new shelf has not had any products on it so far yet. Okay, these are me taking the product photos, but I have body butters and this gorgeous new shelf. So what I want to do is I want to stack all of my body butters on the shelf and like show you guys how I plan to arrange some things. I have so much storage. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 different shelves that I can use. So, and you can like move them wherever you want. So right now I just have them kind of like spaced in a way that, I don't know, it's kind of like random spacing, but I have them spaced in a way that I'll be able to fit like taller bottles and stuff here, and then like these 2 small sections for like the body butters and the creams and the face masks and stuff like that. But anyway, I just want to go ahead and fill my shelves up because I have the shelves, I have the products. Now we need to get our space together, and that way everything will look, you know, will look nice next to the rest of my shelves. I also need to build some more boxes today because as you guys' orders come in, I want to have everything ready to ship. So I want to have boxes made. These boxes are for the skincare kit, so I can't use those. I need to make boxes for my body butters and things like that. And then yeah, so I'm gonna start with cleaning up this stuff first, and then we'll like get over here and start organizing our shelf. Alright, so I guess I can show y'all that the background that I use for like my Infinite Love body butters, I ended up using a pink poly mailer. See, it's a regular old poly mailer, and I just put it up against my background, and then when I took the shot, it was like, you know what I'm saying? I was getting creative because I was looking for something pink. I was like, I don't have any pink fabric or any pink cardstock or nothing like that, so I ended up just using that poly mailer, but it turned out really cute. So in case anybody's curious, this phone, or I'm sorry, this backdrop stand and this white backdrop paper is both from Amazon. I'll make sure I link these in the description box for y'all. They come in handy every time I have like a restock or a relaunch, or for real, anytime I'm trying to take product pictures that I want to look like clean and cohesive, and it's easy to set up and easy to break down. So yeah, Amazon, this will be linked in the description. These body butters at. I think like this shelf right here, since it's like the smallest shelf, I think I'm gonna stack them up in the middle right here, and then the bottom shelves I'll use for when I have like bottles and oils and stuff like that. But for now, I only have these body butters, so I'm gonna see if I like it. love this shelf so far, y'all. Like, this shelf is perfect for the storage of my products. And like I said, I like the way that it looks with my cubbies next to it. I like how it goes with it because it's the same white. It's organized, it's neat. And I'm just really big on like stuff being really giving me like my own storefront, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm very happy about this.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me.
Eventually I'll have matching scrubs and oils and also room sprays to go with all of these. So
The truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realized I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive more than anything.